Hello, my name is Brian with the Central Oregon Veterans Ranch, and thank you for joining our continued discussion about hydroponic farming. Right now, we're going to talk about what it's like to work in an industrial hydroponic farm. Working in an industrial hydroponic farm is a lot of fun, and it can be challenging. If you're afraid to get dirty, this job is not for you. Hydroponic farms are hot and humid, which is great for plants, but miserable for humans. We are growing food for people to eat, so it is vitally important that we adhere to the highest food safety standards. And this means staying home if you're sick, washing your hands, gloving up, and changing gloves frequently. If you touch your face or cover a sneeze, you must change your gloves. It is important to not bring contaminants in from the outside like fungi, molds, or insect pests. These things will devastate crops and are difficult to remove once infected. Gloves and respiratory equipment will be required to move such contaminants. The most enjoyable thing about working in a hydroponics farm, or anywhere for that matter, is the people. I can't stress that enough. The second most enjoyable part of working in a hydroponic farm is knowing that we are growing produce that is fresh and high quality while using a process that is better for the environment than traditional farming. There are many tasks that need to be completed in a hydroponic farm. We start with seeding. The hydroponic system we use here at the Veterans Ranch requires that each individual seed is carefully placed into a special seedling growing media. Once the seedlings are large enough, they will be transplanted into a main growing structure and placed into an additional matrix-type growing media. During this process, it is important to keep a soft touch. Baby plants are fragile and can break easily. Then we inspect the crop, looking at each section of the plants for signs of pest infection. Fungi or molds is done daily. If pests or molds are detected, it is important to take care of them before they get out of control. Monitoring pH, EC, and water temperature is a daily task, as well as adding the proper nutrients and acids or bases to adjust for chemical imbalance in the system. Cleaning grow structures after each harvest gives us an opportunity to remove any algae that grows rapidly in a humid environment. We use a 10-to-1 diluted bleach solution to clean our wicking strips after each harvest. Then we weigh our product, package it, create an invoice, and deliver it to our customer. Cleaning the greenhouse daily prevents other unwanted pests like rodents or insects that may be looking to feed off of the scraps that have fallen to the ground after a harvest. Once a harvest is complete, we have lettuce scraps left over that are not suitable for human consumption. And these scraps we send back into the environment by feeding them to chickens who love hydroponically grown lettuce. And the cycle repeats.